Hi guys! Welcome back! For today's vlog, ituturo ko kung paano kayo maglo-load sa Easy Trip na card using your GCash. So, panoorin nyo to guys! First is i-open natin yung GCash app natin. And then, i-click natin yung icon na bills. Next, hanapin natin itong transportation and then i-click natin to. Then, scroll lang natin siya pababa and hanapin natin itong Easy Trip. And then, i-enter na natin dito yung amount na ilo-load natin. Ito pala guys is merong service charge na 12 pesos. And then, i-enter natin dito yung account number. Yung account number makikita dito sa lower left ng card. And before natin i-proceed, double check natin yung number na i-enter natin. For the email address, optional lang naman to. So, pwede na nating i-scroll and i-next. So, click lang natin yung next dito. And then, after that, eto na, i-confirm na natin yung payment and payment received na. And then, guys, option nyo na kung isi-save nyo yung biller na to or hindi. So, proceed lang natin to. And then, meron na tayong confirmation ng bill payment status. That's it guys. If you have any questions, please comment it down below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Till my next video. Bye!